In this video, I'm going to show you how to restore your photos from iCloud back onto your iPhone. Really easy to do, very simple. So you just want to go to your settings and click on your name with all of your information on it for your iCloud and your Apple ID and all that junk. And you want to scroll down to your iCloud and then come down here to your photos. Now here is your base for your iCloud photos. Now I have this toggled on. You see this sync this iPhone? You want this toggled on. If you toggle it off, it will give you options of what you want to do with your photos, but I typically just leave it on. This way your phone will always be backed up and all of your photos and videos and screenshots and all that stuff will be backed up onto your iCloud. You can toggle on with your download and keep originals or just optimize your iPhone storage depending on the size of your iCloud storage or your phone storage. But it's really easy. You can go in here and manage your storage. You can sync now just to keep it going to make sure it syncs on time like it always should be. But it's very easy to do, very simple, and it's a good and easy way to make sure that you have your photos on your iCloud, but then at the same time on your iPhone. So make sure to like and subscribe, and we'll see you guys in the next video.